Well, it is a good day. This is my tractor at the Newark Tractor Show. They are all pretty good. And this one is pretty good as well, which is my tractor. Have good luck wherever you are. And it is a pretty good day. And these are all the tractors around it. And you'd like to come here a lot. It is a pretty good day. And these are the rest behind it. And it is nice they are as well. And these ones are pretty nice. You'd like to see them a lot. And I bet you'll like it very much around us. We have on the front of here a sign talking about the tractor. And this holding it is a weight. What exercises the tractor? And this is a K, international K. And this is a big one. And it's the biggest. And here's the party tractor. What's going in decorations. Huh? And this is 956 international. Oh, and it has big wheels. 955 international. This is a 956 international. Oh, it is. And over here, we have got some more. There's a pink tractor. Some more here, what you'd love to see. And it is very good to use them because tractors are very strong to use. And there is a pink one here, which is very colourful and it is very bright. And these are the big wheels. This is the pink tractor. And this is the other tractor, the 523, and this international. It's at Newark show. This is all around us. This is tractors, and tractors are very useful. Bye.